treats, right? Say yes, Mommy. Woo! Yes, Mommy. Woo! I love treats. I love treats. Did you say that? Woo, 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 woo. Really, Zozo? What are you doing? We'll keep Mommy company out here while I'm warming the car up? You are, okay. Well, we got about a foot or more of snow and some more flurries in the air, and it was horrendous trying to get down the driveway, but thank goodness for four-wheel drive. My trusty 94 Blazer gets me almost anywhere. Didn't expect this after 60 degrees the day before. Crazy weather. I'll tell you, we're in like a little snow belt here. And we really got dumped on. You can kind of tell. See how much is on the top of the lid of the trash can? Oh goodness. I'm ready for summer already. Alright, well, just wanted to give you a little view here. And Zoe and I singing as well. Thanks for watching.